Hi, I'm Jane Peyton, the principal of the School of Booze. I'm in one of my favourite London pubs, the Victoria in Paddington. Today's tutorial is what is Sabrage? Sabrage is a ceremonial way of opening a bottle of champagne, and you take a very heavy knife or a sabre and you slice the top of the bottle off just below the cork. I've actually done it myself and it's so satisfying. The weakest part of the bottle is under the cork, so if you make a clean cut with that heavy knife, the carbon dioxide in the champagne bottle will stop any shards falling into the bottle. It's thought that the practice came from Napoleon's cavalry soldiers who, rather than dismounting the horses, would be handed a bottle of champagne and just lop the top off and then drink it straight from the bottle. Here at the School of Booze, we do our homework at the pub. These are the textbooks. It's actually the same book, different title and different cover. You can buy them through my website and I'll send you a signed copy. Cheers.